If you're traveling internationally, you have options to help you stay connected while you're away. First, when you travel abroad, your carrier might offer affordable and convenient international roaming options. Second, you can purchase an eSIM from a local carrier in the country or region you're visiting. And third, you can purchase a prepaid data eSIM from a worldwide service provider. For this example, we'll use an international eSIM. Before you start, to use an eSIM while traveling internationally, you'll need iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, or later. You'll also need a wireless carrier that supports eSIM, and your iPhone either needs a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. For this video, we're using iPhone 17 Pro with iOS 26. Each carrier might have a different method to purchase and activate a travel eSIM. Depending on which carrier you choose, after purchasing your travel eSIM, you might be redirected to your cellular settings and prompted to activate your eSIM. If so, tap Activate. This might take a few minutes. When your eSIM is ready, tap Continue. Next, you might be asked to choose where you will use your eSIM. Since we're traveling internationally, we'll select Abroad. Then tap Continue. You might also be asked to choose what type of plan you have for your travel eSIM. We'll select Voice and Data and tap Continue. Your travel eSIM setup is now complete. Tap Done to return to your settings, and your new eSIM appears in your list of SIMs and will remain off until you're ready to travel. Once you've arrived, here's how to turn on your travel eSIM. If a notification appears on your lock screen, tap it. Otherwise, you can turn on your travel eSIM in your cellular settings. From here, you can tap Travel eSIM Only to turn off your home line for calls, texts, and data while you travel, but you can still use it for iMessage and FaceTime, even if you choose to turn it off. Or, you can tap Travel eSIM and Current eSIM to turn on your travel eSIM and keep your home line active while you travel. Just be aware that using your home line while abroad might result in carrier roaming charges. We'll tap that option. Then, tap Continue. To reduce the data your travel eSIM uses, tap Turn on Low Data Mode. Your travel eSIM is ready to use on your trip. When you arrive back home, you can turn off your travel eSIM in your cellular settings. Or, if you receive a notification on your lock screen that your iPhone has automatically switched back to your home line and turned off your travel eSIM, tap it to verify that change in your settings. Stay connected while traveling. Requires a carrier that supports eSIM and a wireless service plan. Some features not available in all countries and regions. Some sequences in this video were shortened.